Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Diva. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet super easy earrings. I share crochet tutorials and tips in Crochet Diva. To improve your crocheting skill, please subscribe and stay connected. Let's start doing it. This is how one of the crochet earrings look like. It's a really lovely earrings with white and red color and matching color beads. To make this tutorial beginner friendly, I have used size 3 yarn instead of crochet thread. I have used size 3 100% cotton yarn in this tutorial. Size 3 yarn is a little bit thinner than DK yarn but thicker than size 5 and size 10 yarn. This DMC yarn is super soft and really comfortable to work with, and you can see the thickness. The quality is great. Let's look at the label carefully. It is DMC Petra yarn and this yarn is 100% cotton. It's written in the label that it's size 3 yarn, and the hook we are going to use for size 3 is 2.5, but as we are making earring we'll use 2.0 millimeter hook. To make the earring you will need a hook, some jump rings. I have used small and medium size and 2 beads. These beads are optional. In addition to it we'll need a hook. This hook is 2.0 millimeter, a needle, stitch markers and a pair of scissors. With the white yarn and hook number 2.0, we'll start by making a magic circle. If you are new to magic circle, click the link on top to see the tutorial of how to make magic circle in easy ways. To make a magic ring, wrap your yarn around your 2 fingers and then with the help of the hook pull up a loop, twist it. Then we are going to do chain 5. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. First 4 chains will be counted as a treble stitch. Then we are going to do one more chain. So it's all together we have done 5 chain. If you want you can mark 4th chain with a stitch marker so that you know where you are going to join your round. Next we are going to do treble crochet in the magic circle. So to do the treble crochet, wrap your yarn twice around your hook, once, twice, then hook goes into the magic circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again and then pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So this is the way how you're gonna do the treble crochet. I will show you again. Carefully this time. To do the treble crochet I will yarn over twice, hook goes into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So I have done already 2 treble crochet. We are going to do 5 treble crochet here. So this is the 3rd one. This earring is very easy and beginner friendly. You can do it under 10 minutes. We are doing the 4th treble crochet here. So this is the number 4 one. We'll do one more treble crochet. So altogether I have done 5 treble crochet in the magic circle till now. After doing 5 treble crochet, we are going to do a chain. Now we are going to repeat this pattern again. We'll do 5 more treble crochet in the magic ring. 1, 2, You can adjust your magic ring. 3, 4, and 5. So after doing this 5, I will do another chain. As you can see, I have done one corner already, and this is the second corner with the chain. So we are going to do 5 more treble crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here you will notice that I have done a corner at the beginning, then this one, then this one. So I have already done 3 corners. Now I'm going to do one more chain to make the last corner. Chain 4 at the starting counts as a treble crochet, so we are going to do 4 more treble crochet here. 1, then 2, oopsie, I will do it again. This is the second treble. 3, and the last one, 4. After doing 4 treble crochet, we are going to join. So we are going to join in the 4th chain that I have marked with the stitch marker. You can tighten up your magic circle here. Here we are going to join. I'm going to take the stitch marker off and join here with a slip stitch. My joining has been done. Then I will do chain 1 to fasten off. This is how the first round looks like. Trim off the white yarn here. At the same time, do the yarn ends quickly and hide the yarns behind. Also trim off the extra yarns. This is how neat the first round will look like after doing yarn ends. In round 2, we are going to add red yarn to the project. So this is the red yarn. I'm going to start by pulling up a loop into the first chain space near the joining. Pull up the yarn here. This is the first chain space. I'm going to pull it up here. Then we are going to do chain 3. First chain 3 will be counted as a double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So these 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. Now I'm going to do a double crochet in the chain space. Yarn over, hook goes into the chain space, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. This is how you are going to do double crochet. And here, if you want, you can mark the first chain 3 because you are going to join in this chain 3. After, we are going to do chain 1, then 2 more double crochet. All of these stitches will go into the chain space. 1, 2. We'll do 2 double crochet, chain 1, another 2 double crochet in each of this chain space. Next, we are going to work in between these treble crochets, not in the stitch. We are going to do a half double crochet in between these 2 treble crochet stitch space. Yarn over to do the half double crochet hook goes into the space, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. This is how we are going to do half double crochet. In the next space we are going to do a single crochet once, then again in the next space we are going to do another single crochet. So you can notice that I am not doing in the stitch, and then I'm going to do a half double crochet into the next space in between 2 stitches. So as you can see, I have done 1 half double crochet at the beginning, then 2 single crochet and end with a half double crochet. We have reached chain 1 space here now. As you can see, in the chain 1 space we'll do 2 double crochet, chain 1 and another 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet, chain 1 and another 2 double crochet in the same chain space. 1, 2. I hope you have noticed I have already done 2 corners. Now I'm going to do in between of these stitches. I will do a half double crochet in between first 2 stitches. This is my half double crochet, and then I will do a single crochet in between next 2 stitches, another single crochet, and 1 more half double crochet in between last 2 treble crochet. We have reached 3rd chain 1 space. This corner will be a little bit different than the others. We'll do 2 double crochet, 1, 2, then we are going to do 2 chains as we'll add beads here. Then we'll do 2 double crochet into the same chain space. So this is the middle corner, bottom middle corner. Now we are going to follow the same pattern of 1 half double crochet in between first 2 stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next space, 1 more single crochet into the following space, and 1 half double crochet into the last in between 2 stitches. So as you can see, I have reached the last chain 1 space. I will do 2 double crochet here like normal, then I will do a chain 1 and another 2 double crochet into this chain space. This is our 4th corner, and after finishing this corner we'll do the same repeat of half double crochet, 2 single crochet and half double crochet into the last side. So I have done a half double crochet in between 2 stitch, then 1 single crochet following by another single crochet into the next in between 2 stitches, and we'll end by making a half double crochet in between last 2 stitches. We are nearly at the ending of this project. It looks really beautiful now. Next thing we are going to do is joining. So I'm going to take off this stitch marker and join into the same chains of that I have marked with the stitch marker with the slip stitch. We'll do chain 1 to fasten off and trim off my red yarn here. To make the earring easier, we are going to mark the first chain space with the stitch marker. This is the chain 1 space. We are going to add earring hook here. In the marked chain space, we are going to add earring hook. This one we are going to add in the first chain space. here. Also, if you want to decor your earrings, you can add beads with the help of jump rings. So I'm going to use a red bead, and I will use medium jump ring to add it on the bottom, just in the opposite corner of the hook. Hide your yarn ends at the back of this project and trim off extra yarns. How it looks like after doing the yarn ends. You need to do 2 of these. Let's watch carefully how I have added the earring hook with the project. I have used a plier to make a little opening in the little jump rings, like this. Now I'm going to add this little jump ring into the hole of the earring hook. Also, I will, in the same opening, I will add my earring project, and then I will close it. Use a plier for better closing. You will need a little bit more practice, and it will make you perfect to make handmade jewelries. Now I'm going to add this red bead to my project. As you can see, I already have inserted a medium size jump ring in it. Now I'm going to open one more same size jump ring. Again, I have used my plier to make an opening in the jump ring. So you can see the gap. I will insert the other beads with the jump ring in this gap. Also, I will insert my earring project in this gap. Then close the opening with the help of the plier. Make sure you have tightened it up properly so that it doesn't come out. This is how my earring looks like after adding earring hook and beads. You need to make 2 of these for 2 ears, and also if you want to avoid, if you don't have the beads, you can avoid the beads. Still, it will look really beautiful without the beads. This pair of earring, I already have done it, and also I have blocked it. As you can see how nice they both look together. Next, if you want, you can block your earrings with the help of water or liquid starch spray. I've added a link in the right corner of how to block a crochet project. Watch this video to have a clear idea of how to do it. Here we go, ta-da! This is how the earrings look like after doing blocking and let it dry up. Hope you have liked this video, and happy crocheting!